Hello Charles. So today I want to do just a quick final video for 2020 and talk about a couple of things that have happened during the year and a couple of things to expect in the new year. More videos. So for me it's been both a good and a bad year. The good points are that I've had more time to focus on this channel and make more content for you guys. And also this year we hit 8,000 subscribers and I would like to thank you so much for your support for getting to that goal. Also, just a couple of weeks ago, or a few days ago I think it was, we hit 3 million total channel views, which is really amazing, and I can't believe that 3 million people have watched my videos, so thank you so much again for your support. And also, if you are interested in music or music production at all, I do have a second channel called Kerodine. If you want to click the card in the corner and subscribe to that channel. My goal is to get 1,000 subscribers by next year. I mean, well, in the next year with that channel. Of course, a lot of bad things have happened this year and it's been one of the worst in recent memory. Of course, one of those things is that travel has been shut down and I haven't been able to travel or do packing lists as I usually would do. But I do understand the reasons why travel has been shut down and I'm not bitter about it. I'm actually hopeful for a better travel experience when things do pick up again in the future. And of course I look forward to putting together some more packing lists in the next year, even if they're kind of like everyday carry items or like weekend travel bag sort of things. Of course I do still have a lot of great videos and product reviews coming in the next year, so do stay subscribed and I look forward to sharing those videos with you very soon. Once again, thank you so much for your continued support and wishing you a very happy and a much better new year.